Hello friends, welcome to my channel Career Thread. Today we are discussing career opportunity after 12th science. We all know 12th is the turning and the crucial point of every student. Your future buildings is start from here. Before discussing more about it, if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for inspiring us. Once you completed 12th, you have number of options like short-term courses, graduation, technical and non-technical courses. Today we are focusing most common graduation related education. After 12th, most selected graduation field is science, commerce and arts. If you completed 12th science, then you have these many career options. If you select engineering stream, then you have multiple specialization options are available. There are civil, mechanical, electronics and chemical are core branches in engineering. Apart from this, you can choose computer or IT, ENTC, automobile, petrochemical, aeronautics, aerospace. In today's world, most valuable and highly paid career opportunity available in computer or IT engineering. If you are interested in constructing multi-story apartment malls, highway and biggest unique structure, then you can choose civil engineering. If you are interested in automobile, car, bike, then you can choose oil engineering. There is one most interesting field, instrumentation engineering, in which you can learn automation tool information. The best part, pursuing a degree in BSc is great employment opportunities in the field of research and development sector. Strengthening the research and development sector in India is one of the main reasons behind the government offer in such a lucrative scholarship to BSc graduate students. There are two types of pharmacy courses available, B Pharmacy and D Pharmacy. B Pharmacy is better education in the pharmaceutical where you will get bachelor degree and become eligible for masterate. D Pharmacy is the 2-year diploma course. After finishing, you have your own medical store and get a job as a salesperson. NDA. NDA means National Defense Academy. To join NDA, candidate must appear in the entrance exam conducted by Union Public Service Commission twice in a year, normally in month of March and August. It is one of the best career opportunity in central government. We have multiple position with government facility job in it. MBBS. In India, the full form of MBBS is Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. It is generally a 5-year course. The role of the MBBS doctor is to collect information and offer it to the specialist so that the patient can get immediate and exact treatment. There are good job and career opportunities for the students after getting the degree in medical as a doctor. It is the professional field with 100% job placement. No one in the country who has the MBBS degree and has no job. Students can also go for the government job as a doctor or join a private health firm. BDS. BDS means Bachelor of Dental Surgery. Is the only approved and recognized professional dental course in India. BDS admission takes place through NEET exam. BDS course duration is 5 years. There are plenty of good jobs and higher study opportunities available after getting the degree in dentistry as a doctor. It is the professional field with 100% job placement. BAMS and BHMS. BAMS means Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, and BHMS means Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. BAMS and BHMS are two of the most promising medical courses that you can consider. The demand for natural treatments and medication and medication is rising. Therefore, the courses of BAMS and BHMS are gaining more popularity. BAMS is a professional degree in medicine focused on Ayurveda offered in India. These courses are quite popular among students who want to make a career in natural forms of medicines. Admission to both BAMS and BHMS courses are done majorly on the basis of NEET result. BAMS and BHMS will be completed in 5.5 years. 4.5 years for studies and exam and 1 year for internship. DMLT. DMLT means Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology is a diploma level program of 2 years DMLT candidate must have at least 45 to 50% marks in class 12. Nursing. Nursing is a profession within the healthcare sector focused on the care of individuals, families, and communities. So we discussed almost most of the topics. If you have any doubt or query, please add comments. We are really happy to help you. Thanks and bye bye for now.